Abudena! So today I'm gonna be making a mailbox, an American style mailbox on a post. And I had these two crooked oak slabs laying around the workshop without any good use. So I guess I'm gonna use it for the post. So let's begin! The post is done, and the last thing missing is oil finish. And I hope it will arrive tomorrow, so I will be able to finish it up. And if you are wondering about that blackening process, it's very simple. It's called Ebonizing. And basically I just applied a solution of cheapest vinegar with some steel wool and metal shavings. I prepped the solution a few months before, and I basically applied it. And it reacts with the tannin in the wood, and therefore it darkens. And quick note, probably it won't work on most of the species because of the absence of tannin. So white oak is perfect for this. Anyway, so I already made a mailbox sketch. I used cardboard because it's very quick to see the proportions, and I'm really glad I did because my first attempt was way off. And this one is also not perfect, but I will stretch it up a little bit so it will become a bit longer, and I think I'm good to go. And now it's very convenient because I can take it apart and I will have perfect templates for my sheet metal. So I guess let's go to the welding room. Honestly, I was a bit worried that 2 mil sheet will be too stiff to form without sheet metal roller, but I still wanted to give it a try. So I guess I will take another out. So my idea is to cut a new piece of sheet metal, the same size as this one, and cut a rectangular opening in the middle. So this way I would be left with 2 bands on the sides, which would be easier to bend. Or at least I hope so. And this way I would still keep the overall structure of the mailbox, and I would have places to weld. And the only missing piece would be the roof, but I would like to talk about it once I will try this approach. So my new approach was a great success. It was fairly easy to fabricate this one. And the next step will be to bring this one to get powder coated. And I'm thinking about matte black finish. And once I will get this one painted, I will wrap it around with this 0.8 mil brass sheet. And before wrapping it, I'm thinking to cut letters or a street address, so it would end up on this side and also on the opposite side. I think this will add a wonderful extra feature. So yeah, this goes to the painting facilities, and this will go under the water jet. Oh, I wish the services would take this little time in reality. Okay, let's put these together, shall we? Thank you for watching. Bye.